Hey there, cat lovers! Ready to make your life easier and your furry friend happier? Well, join us on a journey through the wonderful world of self-cleaning litter boxes for cats in 2024. Hey, just imagine. No more scooping poop or dealing with smelly litter boxes. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, guess what? It's totally possible with the latest self-cleaning litter box technology. Discover the warmth and convenience of these innovative litter boxes designed to make both you and your kitty purr with satisfaction. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual cleaning and hello to more quality time with your beloved pet. I have listed my top picks for the best self-cleaning litter boxes on the market, so you can find the perfect fit for your feline friend. And the best part, you can get them at the best prices. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make life easier for both you and your cat with these amazing self-cleaning litter boxes. Number 5. petkitpuramax. If you want the best durability, this is worth considering. This awesome litter box rocks a sleek white color and is extra large, ideal for your big cat buddy. Crafted from tough ABS plastic, it's super durable. It's roomy and strong, offering plenty of space for your furry friend. This litter box is designed with your cat's safety in mind, featuring smart sensors and an accident protection system. It's also super easy to use thanks to its smart app control. You can choose from 3 cleaning modes: auto cleaning, scheduled cleaning, or manual cleaning. Plus, it's compatible with all types of clumping litter except crystal. And guess what? It's got double odor removal technology to keep your home smelling fresh. With 12 months manufacturer warranty and US-based customer service, you're in good hands. Number 4. Pet Safe Scoop Free. When it comes to the best features, this is my top choice. This grey beauty takes the hassle out of litter box duty. With its automatic waste removal feature, you can say goodbye to scooping and cleaning for weeks. Plus, its unbeatable odor control means no more unpleasant smells lingering around your home. And guess what? The low tracking crystals are super tidy and won't stick to your cat's paws, keeping your floors mess-free. Worried about leaks? Don't be. The disposable trays come with a plastic lining for added protection. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just toss the tray away when it's full. And hey, it even monitors your cat's health with its nifty health counter and motion sensors. Number 3. Whisker Litter Robot 3 Connect. This buddy stands out as my top pick for the best reliable self-cleaning litter box. This sleek grey box is a game changer for cat owners. Say goodbye to scooping forever with its automatic self-cleaning feature. The patented sifting process separates waste from clean litter, so you only need to empty the waste drawer when it's full. Worried about odors and tracking? Don't be. The automatic clean cycle and carbon filter keeps smells at bay, while the textured ramp surface reduces litter tracking. It's perfect for small or elderly cats with its gentle entrance and exit. And get this, you can control it all from your phone with the Whisker app. Get notifications when it's time to empty the waste drawer and track your kitty's litter box habits in real time. Safety is a priority too, with a design suitable for up to 4 cats, each weighing at least 5 pounds. Plus, it's proudly designed and assembled in the USA, backed by a solid warranty. Number 2. Popper X5. Seeking the best option for multi-cat families, this is the one I recommend the most. This X-large beauty is shaking things up in the litter box game. With its open litter tray and independent trash can, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to dealing with stinky plastics. The trash bin comes with an automatic lid and a cardboard box. Worried about odors? Don't be. The Popper X5 traps 99% of odors, keeping your home smelling fresh. Plus, it's perfect for multi-cat families, offering up to a week-long hands-free experience. Your kitties will love the ventilated open-top design and spacious litter bed. And with its impressive 33-pound capacity, you can say goodbye to constant refills. Shop with confidence with their satisfaction guarantee and warranty. Number 1. ELS Pet 60 Liters Extra Large. Finally, this modern blue beauty takes the crown as the best overall. With its smart app control feature, you can monitor and control the litter box from your smartphone, making maintenance a breeze. Saves time. This litter box cleans itself, meaning less time spent on maintenance and more quality time with your furry friend. Plus, with its large 60 liters capacity, you can enjoy longer periods between cleanings, especially handy for multiple cat households or busy schedules. Security system. Safety first. The sensor detects when your cat enters the litter box, pausing the cleaning process until they leave. And if your cat pushes the door while it's running, it automatically stops to prevent accidents. Package includes everything you need is included, from cat litter and trash bags to a manual and cleaning tools. Plus, they offer a 1-year after-sales service, ensuring your satisfaction. So there you have it, folks. The best self-cleaning litter boxes for cats in 2024. With these innovative options, you can say goodbye to scooping and hello to more quality time with your furry friends. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow cat lovers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy kitty, happy life.